In this video, I will show you how to update all drivers in Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on my Windows 11 desktop. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is check for any available Windows updates. To do that, come down to your toolbar at the bottom and in the search box go ahead and type settings and then open up settings underneath best match. From here, what you want to do is come over to this menu on the left hand side and at the very bottom you're going to see an option for Windows Update. So what you can do is give this a click and it's going to tell you if there's any updates available to install. At this point, what you can do is install all updates to make sure you do have all the updates for available drivers and then restart your PC to apply the updates. Now another thing you can do is use the device manager to install updates for your drivers individually. So to do that from your desktop, come again to your search box in your toolbar at the bottom and this time go ahead and type device manager. Then what you want to do is open up device manager underneath best match, which can open up a window like this. What you can then do is go through each of your different drivers, for example Bluetooth or your audio devices and things like that. And if you click onto the arrow next to these, you're going to see all your drivers and things like that. So what you can do if you want to update something is right click onto any of these. Let's take my keyboard for example. So what we can do is click and then right click and then you're going to see an option to update drivers. So if you give this a click, it's going to bring up a window like this. Then what you can do is search automatically for drivers to see if there's any updates available. So you can see for my case for the keyboard that the best drivers are already installed. But if there is an update available, you'll be prompted to install the update from there. If you have recently connected a device and you don't see it in this list, if you come up to the top and click onto this icon up here where it says scan for hardware changes, then this is going to scan to find any recently devices that have been connected which would not have been on there before. Now also, if you do have a dedicated graphics driver like an NVIDIA graphics card or an AMD graphics card, what you can do is actually download an app to install the latest graphics drivers. So that's going to be AMD Radeon or NVIDIA, which is what I have for my system. So you can see I've got the NVIDIA app installed. And if you actually open up the app, you're going to see an option if you look on this menu on the left hand side which says drivers, and if we give this a click we can actually check for any updates to graphic drivers. So you can see mine's actually all up to date as you can see here, but if there's any updates available you'll be able to do that for your graphics driver if you have a dedicated driver like for example an NVIDIA card or a AMD card. So that's how to update all drivers in Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.